Experts speak on children exposed to domestic violence. In the United States, 24 people per minute are victims of domestic violence, a total of 12 million victims each year. Risk factors for becoming an abuser include witnessing or experiencing violence as a child. Children are present in more than one-third of homes where abuse occurs. We're looking at the immediate and long-term effects to children that witness domestic violence and those that are removed from parental care due to neglect on the part of the victim. Witnessing domestic violence can have effects similar to child abuse and include aggression, violent behavior, emotional problems, and developmental delays. The problem lies in knowing when to remove a child from the home without causing more damage to the parent-child relationship. The questions we're asking today is, does it do more damage to the children by leaving them with their parents or removing them? And when is it appropriate to leave children with the parent that is the victim of abuse? Our experts today are Christine Capral, who has her master's in psychology and is a licensed mental health care professional and clinical program manager of the Children's and Family Department at Columbia River Mental Health Services. She earned her bachelor's in sociology and master's in psychology from the University of Seattle and has over 25 years of experience in her field. Christine provides clinical consultation for mental health counselors and social workers and serves on the Washington Coalition of Sexual Assault Programs. Our other expert is Teresa Brooks. She has her master's in social work and is a licensed clinical social worker and the area director at the Department of Children and Family Services. Teresa earned her bachelor's in psychology and master's in social work from Eastern Washington University and has been a social worker for over 15 years. She was appointed area director of DCFS in 2007. Christine believes in most cases it does more damage to the family to remove the children from both parents when they witness domestic violence. Removing children from the victim causes stress and trauma that can be avoided in many cases. The trauma caused by separation leads to fear, anxiety, depression, regressive behavior, and a diminished sense of self because children blame themselves for the breakup of the family. Children that are removed from their parents have trouble forming new relationships. Teresa believes that children that witness domestic violence often suffer the same effects as those that were physically abused, and many times the children suffer from lack of sleep, anxiety, and increased fear of being harmed. The victim of the abuse often stays where they are or enters into new abusive relationships. Exposure to domestic violence often results in short and long-term behavior problems, including delinquency and perpetration of violence. Christine believes victims should not be punished. Children need their parents, and families should stay together whenever possible. Teresa believes children are the victims, and intimate partner violence causes psychological harm to all involved. And intimate partner violence is the same as child neglect. They do agree that children need to be protected and victims need support.